Hello, welcome to my Beloku Education YouTube channel. So myself Pradeep. So in this video, we are going to solve the problems on the consignment stock for 5 marks. 5 marks. So let's start the illustration third one. Calculate the abnormal loss and closing stock from the following information. So here they have given the oil supplied on consignment 12,000 kg at the rate of 90 per kg. Packaging and forwarding paid by the consignor rupees 60,000. Oil stolen in transit 2000 kg. Oil sold by consignee 9000 kg at the rate of 125 per kg. Loss of oil due to evaporation in storage is 5%. So they have given the information on that. We have to calculate the abnormal loss and closing stock. So let's start the so here, so what they have given, the 12,000 kg consigned. So in consigned, so the goods which is sent by the consignor to consignee. So out of that there is a 2000 kg was lost in between the transit. So the stolen in between the transit, that is abnormal loss, that will be treated as a abnormal loss. So consignee receives only 9,000 goods, sorry 10,000 goods, 10,000 kg. So out of 10,000, consignee able to sell only 9,000. So remaining is 1,000. Out of 1,000, there is a normal loss. They have given in the problem the point number 5, the 5% on evaporation. So that is normal loss. So that means the 5% normal loss, 5% on 10,000, that is 500. So remaining 500 is unsold units. So that is closing stock. So on the given, they have given in the information, so you have to calculate. So let's, so abnormal loss is equal to cost of goods lost plus proportionate non-recurring expenses. Here we consider the proportionate non-recurring expenses up to the point of loss of goods. So that is 2000. Here 2000 into the 990 per kg plus 60,000 proportionate non-recurring expenses, a total up to the 12,000 goods. But we want to calculate only for the 2000. So that is the abnormal loss. So 2000, so 1,80,000 plus 10,000, so 1,90,000 is the abnormal loss. So next, closing stock, we have to calculate the closing stock. So closing stock is equal to total cost plus total non-recurring expenses minus abnormal loss. So total cost is given in the problem, total non-recurring expenses are also given in the problem. So abnormal loss we have calculated here, that is 1,90,000. So total kg minus abnormal loss, so minus normal loss into unsold kg. Also we have find out that unsold unit, unsold kg. So 12,000 into 90 plus 60,000 is abnormal loss minus abnormal loss 1,90,000 divided by 12,000 minus 2,000 as a abnormal loss minus 500 is the normal loss. So 10,000 into 5%. So into unsold kg is 500. So we will get, so 9,50,000 divided by 9,500 into 500. So 50,000 is the closing stock. 50,000 is the closing stock. So next one. So here the fourth one is, you have to ascertain the abnormal loss and valuation of closing stock from the following information. So this one is also same. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈವಾಗಲೇ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, so they have given the oil supplied on the consignment ಈಸ್ 10,000 kg at the rate of 75 per kg. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 10,000 kg ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 75,000 kg. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1500 kg, 1500 kg, that is abnormal loss. So oil sold by consignee is 7,000 kgs. So loss due to leakage is 500 kg. They have given here direct instead of given the percentage. So 500 kg, that is the normal loss. So ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ so abnormal loss is equal to cost of goods loss plus proportionate non-recurring expense, that is 1500 into 75 into 75,000 divided by 10,000 into 1500. So we will get a 1,23,750 as a abnormal loss. So next we have to calculate the closing stock. Closing stock is equal to total cost plus total non-recurring expenses minus abnormal loss, total divided by total kg minus abnormal loss kg minus normal loss kg into unsold kg. So here the goods which is supplied by the consignor to consignee is 10,000 kg. 10,000 kg ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 10,000 kg ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1,500 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 8,500 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ. 8,500 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 7,000 ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ. 7,000 ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1,500 ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. 1,500 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1,500 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಲೀಕೇಜ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ 500. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1,000 is unsold kg. So 1,000 ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ unsold kg ಇದೆ. So we will get so total of 7,01,250 divided by 8,000 into unsold 1,000 kg. So we will get a closing stock of rupees 87,656. So that is 87,656 is the closing stock. So next one, so last one. So here the last one is very simple one. So Uma sent 200 cycles costing rupees 3 lakh to Jyoti to be sold at a commission of 10% on sales. So he will get here the Uma is an she is an consignor and Jyoti she is an consignee. So goods was received by Jyoti, so he is an consignee. So he will get a commission whatever he sales, how much he sales, that means the 10% on sales. So Uma paid freight and insurance rupees 10,800, that is non-recurring expenses. So in account sales sent by Jyoti showed that she sold 160 cycles at the rate of 4,200 each. Out of that he is incurred expenses, that is for Actra is 1,200 and for carriage is 1,800 while taking the delivery of the goods. So and the advertisement, storage and selling expenses incurred were 1,200 here. So in this problem they have the what you have to calculate the closing stock. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಉಮಾ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 200 ಸೈಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ rupees 3 lakh ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಉಮಾ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಕನ್ಸೈನಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಕಮಿಷನನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ 10% ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹಳೆ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಉಮಾ ಕನ್ಸೈನರಿಂದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಕನ್ಸೈನರ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ the first one is 1800 is expenses incurred during the transit, as well as the 2400 and 1800 is also an expenses which is incurred during the transit. So we have to calculate on that. So closing stock here, the closing stock is equal to cost of goods unsold plus proportionate non-recurring expense. The unsold units is, so 200 goods ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 200 cycles were sent by consigner to consignee. Out of that he will sales only 160, the remaining 40 is the unsold cycles. So 3 lakh divided by 200 into 40 plus proportionate non-recurring expense 10,800 plus 2,800 plus 1,800 divided by 200 into unsold cycle is 40. So we will get a 60,000 plus 3,000. So 63,000 is the closing stock. So 63,000 ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ closing stock is. So thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.